So what are some of the biggest challenges medical providers face with billing today?
In revenue cycle management, I would consider there are three major challenges any practice owners are facing today. One of the biggest challenge practice owners are facing today is outdated processes. They typically rely on such processes where they do the manual processing of the claims. I just mentioned earlier, they still use the spreadsheets to manage their accounts receivable. They're chasing claim denials manually by calling the payers and checking the status. Considering the fact we have technologies available, we have tools available that can be leveraged and automate some of these processes to get the efficiency. Second challenge is really a lack of transparency in performance metrics. What does that really mean? For any business or any medical practice, you have standard key performance indicators that you should be following that describe what is the status of your current business. So, for example, what is your current denial rate? If it is, whether it is less than 5% or it is really above that. If it is less than that, you're really doing great. Another key example of KPI is checking out your first pass resolution rate. At what rate your claims are getting accepted and paid in first go without getting any denial from the payer's end. Another KPI really talks about assessing your reimbursement per claim level and per CPT level, really. And what is your net revenues? What are your gross margins looks like? What is your gross collection looks like? These are multiple KPIs every practice owner should be mindful about. Third major challenge I can see in this industry is really providers, especially the practice owners, wearing multiple hats. What does that really mean is you being a practice owner, you gotta take care of the patients, you are an HR person to do the hiring part for your practice, for your team. You gotta do the administration stuff. You are responsible for your financials. You got to manage your operations. So really small practices do not have that much leverage and budgets to manage all these things. So these are the three core challenges I have witnessed specifically in this arena.